Hello friends, I'm Saurav and you are watching your YouTube channel My Garden Care Tips. Friends, today I came with the other type of fertilizer, that is mustard cake fertilizer. This fertilizer, it is available in two form in nursery or in market, that is powder and cake form. It is a residue left over from mustard seed after processing this oil. It is an organic fertilizer, so you can use in all plants. It contains NPK in the ratio of 4:1:1 and also some trace of magnesium, sulfur, manganese and zinc also found in this fertilizer. It also contains 38% of protein. Friends, I always use different types of fertilizer in my garden. Using different fertilizer ensure your plant get each and every nutrient. Friend, this is the result you can see. I have plucked flowers today for worship. You can see the yield of my garden plant. The plate is full of flowers. Now let's talk about preparation. For preparation, we have to soak it for minimum 2 days, 2 to 3 days in summer, and in winter you can soak it for 3 to 4 days because in winter the fermentation process is slow. Do not keep this fertilizer more than 4 to 5 days, otherwise it will start to smell. Keep in mind that this fertilizer always use in 7 days. The whole batch has to be finished in 7 days. If you want to give in after 15 days or 16 days, you have to soak it again as a fresh batch. The previous batch has to be given to the plants within 7 days, otherwise it will smell and it is not good for plants. Now we will prepare to soak it. So I am taking this cup as a measurement. I always use this cup for liquid fertilizers as a measurement. So in this cup we will take 2 spoons of mustard cake powder. So I am taking 2 spoons. 1 and 2. It's done. We will put water and soak it for 2 days because this is summer, so I will soak it for 2 days. So I will meet you after 2 days. Now after 2 days the solution is ready, but we have to dilute it further. So for this glass I will take 1 liter of water, or you can take like the same glass you can take 10 more cups. So remember, for every liquid fertilizer always dilute. If you are taking 1 cup of liquid fertilizer, dilute it with 10 cups of water. That's the ratio for all liquid fertilizer. Now you can see the mixture is ready. Now you can give it to plants, but remember, do not spray it to plants leaf as a foliar spray because it attracts fungus. So as per my experience, I do not spray it in my plant. I only give in the soil. So this liquid fertilizer can only be given in soil. Do not spray it, otherwise it will be have some fungal infections in your plant. When we will give this fertilizer to plants, make sure the soil is totally dry. Do not give this fertilizer in soil when the soil is wet. After few days you can see there will be some fungus formation in the soil, but don't worry, it is okay. That is a beneficial fungus for the plants. It will not harm the plants. The fungus will be disappear after 2-3 days. Friends, there is another way also. If you do not have time to prepare this liquid fertilizer, you can give it directly in the soil also in the powder form. For small pot you can take 1 and or 1.5 spoon. For bigger pots you can take we can use 2 to 3 spoon. That's enough. That's it friend for today. I think I have covered all the points for this fertilizer. If I left out any points, please write the comments below. I will answer. And as always, Kindly like, subscribe and press the bell button for my upcoming videos. We will meet soon. Bye bye.